Hi, Jerry. Hello. Mm. How are you, Jerry? Mm. Mm. Dancing. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Mm. Mm. Nabaliw na. Bollywood. I have a tantrum. You shake it up. Shake it, shake it. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, pop. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, 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 shake it up. What are you doing? Wow, nice. Nice. What are you doing? Twice? Just watching you. Ah, okay. Thank you for watching me. Tim said you can call me. Huh? Why? How I call you? God. See that? You talk them. Really? See that? You talk them. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you doing? Hi, guys. Thank you for joining. I'm fine. Pick it up, 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 pick it up. I'm doing live. How about you guys? What are you doing? Hi, Sagi, Gemini Khalil. Hey, hi, Sagi. I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Thank you for the thumbs up. Lul, 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 ulul. What you drinking? Coffee.
Jangan ada berhenti. Ada siko. Ya, ada itu.
30 yanda.
Atau
Barato. I drink coffee. 30. 5. Lawlaw, lawlaw. Thank you for watching, guys. Lawlaw. Lawlaw kayo dyan. Lawlaw. Oh, oh, um, do, 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 say you never could. Hi, Jerry. You make a choice, say you'll never go. Babatog ka na naman. Ayo, nawara naman sin. Pero tayo. Kailangan mo na ng pera. Bawal ang bata. Di na sila nung sayo. Hindi ka maluwas. Thank you for the thumbs up. Looking in your eyes, I see you paradise, the world, and to be true. It's really good. What? Why didn't? Why didn't you answer the poem? I told you I'm talking to my mom. I leave my phone in the room and then I talking to mom to another room. But I didn't hear. That's why. About what? About our marriage. Kim, she didn't answer my caller either. Oh my god. Jerry. Jerry. Jerry, I'm not in a mood. What did she ask? I asked for if we may get married at civil or the church wedding and the requirements. If really the
Siguro dia na. Ano dito dito. Ay kinag-ulit ah. Then ano ako ya. Eh makumugid ko kay ten. Well, lagyan ni Mia pa ba. Pero inoyo ko, meron sila. Ayun ba naman? I-glass man lang. Okay, ano? Loading. Ayan na. Kadal up. Loading.
Well, what she asked? She asked for, of course, they want a church wedding.
In puppies. Bigla.
Mm. 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 No, you want one. No, you want one.
Siguro someday. Da. Dai. Eh, dalam bayar dah. Itu dai. Tak mau. Tak mau. Uluk. Ya. Uluk. Lagi rendah. Pero di ko yung nag-iis pa na. Ano ba yun niya? Bata na yun, yan.
Hi, Robin kami, ha? Hi, Robin. Thank you for joining, Robin. Hi, Jerry. Ah,
Slenderman. Slenderman niya daw. Do, Slenderman. Nakahanap ito. Slenderman.
need to dance
Yeah!
to relieve stress.
Labutan ka mo sa
I have dandruff.
makatugong kayo na Slenderman.
Cheer her up, Tim.
Look, King Fair.
I think
Sa 1D, wag magandang natalid ka. Nakay di, nakalakay, Zay. Oo, bahala ka.
Tim, I think we don't need to get married because we can't afford the time, the effort, the money, and then yeah. I don't need to I don't need to argue with that because I don't want to feel that I just the only one want this, but if can afford the time and the effort and the money, we don't need to do that. It takes time. My God, me. I don't like if I only want. I don't like that. I'm not like that. Duh. God. Thank you. It's can't afford. We can't afford that. The time.
Kaya tama ka.
It's not enough. Not enough. And too much effort. It's too much. Not the sad. Gosh. I've explained my parents.
Oh! Gawan sa Ayan.
Okay, it's fine. I want someone willing to spend the rest of her life with me. No forcing. Without any, I don't want just. I feel that I am the only one wants that. I don't like that. Never. I don't. I'm not like that. You deserve someone better. I like a lot of very beautiful women. I'm not. I'm not. Uh,
No.
I'm not desperate. Well, you want more.
No.
Yeah. Talk about this. You only you topic here. You only first talk about here. I'm not. I'm not. I'm just answering your question here. Not me. I just answer your question, not me. God, only me. You always blame me. Duh. I ask you questions. Why do I? You started first, not me. You talk me first. You talk about this first. You talk me first. Not me. I ask what your mom said. Yeah, I see that. I answer your questions. Then it follow the question. You're following the question, and I answer it. That's all. Yes. You're asking me the questions. Then when I answer your question, you have a following question. Then I answer it. I answered. I'm just honestly answered. I don't want to be, to pretend that it's everything fine. I don't like that because it's not fine at all. If can't afford, stop. No need. We don't need to, that's all. And then you say we shouldn't get married because we can't afford it. How we can get married if we can't afford it? Oh my God! I forcing you to marry me. You can't afford it. Go. I don't like that. Bye bye. Not say that. I'm not say marry me. I'm not say that. I'm not say anything. You're asking me what you want. Here in America, the girls is so different here. For the first you meet me, I have no money. How I can marry you? If a woman pay for wedding, I can't marry someone because if the rules in America, I'm forever single because I can't afford to marry. Here in the Philippines, the man shoulder pay to marry, but here in a new generation share each other if the woman can share, they share. As always, I said, if not possible, no need to do that. I'm not insisting like you can give it to me, just give it to me. You're asking me what I want. I ask I I answered it, but I'm not forcing you to give it to me all. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. Yes, and I support you, but just want to. Thank you, Tim. Thank you for being honest. You're. I don't ask what you want. Thank you. Thank you so much. I see your true collection. Random tips. I'm not lying. When you asking me what is it a lie, I not lied. Answer your question. I'm just answer your question. I'm not lying. Listen, then you want to listen. Sa'yo. Don't be afraid. True colors. True colors. Dili mo pa yung bansyo. Di ko talaga yun ano. Barbara ka masyadot bukas. See your true colors shine through. Don't be afraid. True colors. True colors. Hi, Ito. Welcome back here, Ito. How are you? Lol, yes, I'm back. Thank you for joining here again, Ito. You good? I'm fine. True colors, true colors. It's always 3 a.m. for me. Oh my god, too early. Too early ito. What is the time for you, loves? Time here now, 8:50 in the morning. 8:50 in the morning. Okay. Oh, okay, that's why. Yeah. Almost 9 in the morning here. True colors, true colors. Questions, needs. Please tell me you're not Canada watching today. I just need to hang up the clothes. And I will upload while washing. This has happened just yesterday. I do wash, hand wash. You know. Oh, they need to dry. Yeah, need to dry for the sun because no dryer, no washing machine, no dryer. Need to dry from the sun. Thanks God, no. It's sunny today, so let's try the clothes today. Thanks. sun is better. Yeah, sun is better. Nauyab na naman ako sa imo nga. The sun is better. You seem down. You sure you okay? I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm glad. Lolo. Okay, just making sure. It's not, sometimes it's I always in real life it will ended just myself always like people leave, you know. Did you have a breakfast? Yeah, I have a breakfast. No, don't say that. Yeah. I won't be like that anymore. I will join when I can. Thank you so much. It helps me a lot when you join here because it when it helped me to reach my watch hour. I will be monetized soon. You see at 3 a.m. and I'm still here. Thank you for the efforts. I really appreciate your effort, Ito. Thank you so much. I need to do live more because yes, thank you so much. I'm really glad that you you came here to my channel. It helps me a lot. Anything I can do to help. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ito. Follow Jamaska. Don't you go get back. Listening to the wind. Chance. Like a summer. So plans for today. I hope you're gonna spend the day relaxing. I need to feel relaxed today. I mean, I need nature. Yep, yep. So you're going to work tomorrow? Yes, I'm going to work tomorrow. Same here. Are you working? What is your work? Maybe you say that yesterday, but and then I forgot. August summer night, saw this love. Yes, I did say it. Look, it's in IT, information technology. Information technology, IT.
Good, you want to play?
Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. August summer night.
Boom, kalbo, kalbo, kalbo.
Thank you so much. What about you? I am a volunteer here, but I get a salary, but not too much. I can buy foods. It helps me to buy food.
Kung anak mo kasi kay nagutom.
I'm sorry to finding job. It's not easy. So yeah, but maybe next year uh, I will resign the job this year because next year I'm planning to do another country or in Manila and need to work the job for high salary because my son um need to I need to give him a better future. I think yeah I need to work hard. I need to find it. My channel it helps me to earn money. That's why I need to. Before my channel monetized before and I'm busy at work here, so that's why I demonetize my channel. We need to get monetized soon so we can help too. Thank you guys. Follow the Moscow, listening to the wind. The summer night. How long do you think it will take? Hope this before Christmas I will monetize my channel. I'm hoping, but if I bring people here or I try to upload it can more videos, more views. It helps me to earn watch hour. Sounds so close, yeah. Sounds so close. Close. It's close. I just need watch hours. It's close. I hope. I'm praying. I need to make a video that it will be good views. So you do 1 hour watch hours, yeah. The 1 hour watch hours. It's someone saying here. and the same. It's a pain, and it's a pain. Lovely hair, Cheryl. Thank you. Hi, Tyler. Tyler Robbins. Hello. Welcome back. It's a very long time no hear. Hi. Hello, Tyler. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sweet color shining through. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you. I'm in your head. I mean, oh my god. You're gonna go live again today? Yeah, I do live again today. Hope you join. Hope you join, Ito. Okay, Cole, I'm going to church. Other than that, I'm free. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ito. You have me in your head. You have me in your Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the mod. Welcome. Always welcome. And thank you for joining me here. Always. Thank you so much. Saluda Moskwa. Time to Gorky Park. Always. Thank you. So bye-bye. See you next live. Thank you, Ito. You need to sleep, Ito. And you too, Tyler. You need to rest this Sunday. So bye-bye. See you again next live. Bye. Love you guys.